This looks like it. What's up?
Hi, partner.
What's going on?
Look at this big girl.
I know. Beautiful day.
Yeah, buddy.
Hello.
This time we're riding what we're calling the Great Salt Loop. We start out west on the Pony Express Trail across the Great Salt Desert, then head north through the Bonneville Salt Flats, continuing east on the Transcontinental Railroad, making a pit stop in Bear Lake, before heading south through the mountains and ending on Antelope Island on the Great Salt Lake.
Huh. I don't know if this place is open.
I think this gas station has gone to the great big road in the sky.
Hey, turn your bike off and get your Zumo off. I don't want to have to push your bike. It was a holiday. No, it's called the town holiday, but at the top of it, there was a Sinclair.
We passed it.
We passed it. The one we were looking for, and Cedar Fort is closed.
We stopped at this Camp Floyd
Oh yeah,
Civil War spot. Kids are
there's-
playing with cap rifles over there.
yeah, they're killing each other over there.
Yeah, murdering each other. I shot you. Oh, you got
Yeah, point blank. Oh, it looks good to have you in the rear view mirror again.
You look good from the back, girl.
Yeah.
Call back. I could go for like 10 degrees cooler,
Oh yeah, totally.
but it's pretty good. Pony Express Trail.
Here we are. Start, man. Start of the dirt.
Here we are, starting the Pony Express.
Start of the Pony Express.
It is that way.
And the highlight of this trip is not only mustaches, but the hats.
I mean,
It's all
hat
about-
game. We had it last time. You improved,
I did improve.
and now we're going mustache.
We're riding dirty.
You ready to do it again?
Yeah,
Number
let's
two.
Let's do it. Also, I should probably mention this.
Oh, great! Look at that reveal. Oh yeah.
She's a big girl.
Just there we go.
Let's hit the road.
Let's do it. Let's do it. Giddy up, partner.
Let's giddy up. Dun 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 dun.
Where the deer and the antelope roam.
Look at this.
Yeah.
Damn. I say we take the drone out.
Good flight, Goose. Uh-oh.
What'd you do?
My bike won't start.
You kidding me? Really?
I got nothing.
I was just using this accessory port. I wired this guy into it, so
Yeah, you wired
USB.
him.
And now
Should be switch power. And now we go in, try and fire it up, and nothing. What are you gonna say?
when you're like 10 hours away from leaving, you should absolutely do electrical work on your bike.
100%.
Those are definitely still attached.
Oh, here you go. I want to come off.
Yeah, they're all good.
They're all good.
So Holland, how
I know, right?
how's that possible?
Yeah.
I don't know. We can bump it to get out of here, though, I think. Thank you.
Thanks, guys. Yeah, the waterproof housing was loose on one of these.
Oh, hey! Whatever you're touching there. Yep, good. Woo! Get it, buddy. Woo! Work the problem, ladies and gentlemen.
I'm all tingly.
Me too, buddy.
Look, what did we say? Moments before we solve the problem, someone's gonna show up and say,
Hey, what's going on? You guys okay?
You guys okay? Oh. I don't know if you guys know what the feeling of like utter relief is.
When you're in the middle of nowhere.
When the nowhere.
And 50% of your bikes won't start.
50%. Yeah, it's a solid 50% won't start. We worked through the problem. We started with what? We started with what we...
checked the thing that I undid and repatched last night.
Yep.
That was good. Then we checked the fuses. That was
All
good.
fuses were good.
And Josh was like, hey, what about these wires? And he wiggled these wires and the connection
Right here.
these seats, these waterproof cover seats.
We're kind of off,
And
so
that's what
I
it
filled
is.
with it. Yeah. We're going to get the drone out and fly it. I should do it.
Look at that trail in front of us.
Yeah.
Oh yeah. Man, we are just out here, dude.
Yeah, I love it. It's great. Look at that. That's cool. 3 of them. They do travel in herds.
We've tracked the Dust Devil at over 35 miles an hour.
A dust devil? Did you say you had a dust devil?
We have a Dirt Devil.
Stop for a couple pictures in the middle of nowhere, and what happens?
It rains.
It rains.
I hope every day is going to be this eventful with us hitting grocery stores. What else do we got? Coffee.
I would like no more electrical issues
Oh,
with
yeah.
either bike. That'd be
Just
nice.
a little problem that the starter stopped on your bike.
Yeah.
And now it's sunny again.
Going that way.
Woo.
Could almost see our campsite. So Springs must be up there.
Oh, check-in book.
Oh, nice.
This place is pretty cool. What a cool place.
It took
Why'd they
6
cage
months.
those rocks in?
Huh?
Why'd they cage those rocks in?
Because they don't want people messing with it.
No.
Yes.
They're gonna run away.
They went all the way to California.
Yeah, dude.
didn't realize
San
that.
Francisco.
So we're like right here. Sampson Springs, yeah. That's a cabin that some guy built for his wife, but she died before he finished it.
Oh, wow.
1893.
Oh, yeah. Yeah, wives died all the time back then. Oh, wow. Yeah, that's it. Ow.
I wonder if they've restored the wood in here, if it's just that well preserved.
Ow. I did the same exact thing.
My head's tall.
I did the same thing. That's our road over there. I'm pretty. Or that. Cool, dude. All right. Shall we put down the miles?
I say we shall put down the miles.
Deer, antelope, antelope. Do you see it?
Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Excuse me, ma'am. We've been trying to reach you about your extended car warranty. Hey, ma'am.
Do you have time to talk about my personal Lord and Savior, Taco Bell?
They always run.
We'll get him next time, bud.
If you just did like a camping trip on a horse, though,
We got our trusty steeds right here.
Yeah, we do. Jeff, stop playing around with that tumbleweed.
Get out of here. Let's not get wet.
Yeah, let's do it.
That looks fun. The world is a beautiful place.
It is indeed. What a blessing we get to enjoy it every day.
Well, it wouldn't be a Wander ATV trip without a little rain, right, buddy?
Yeah, exactly. Well,
Yes, sir.
here we are again.
Here we are again. We're in the middle of the Great Salt Desert, and we found rain.
That's what we just came through. Look at that.
Nuts. Thank you, CCC, for this campground.
I mean, there's spots over there, it looks like.
I think we got it all to ourselves.
I think we do too.
We're there.
We've made it. Sand. Okay. Bigfoot wins. Bigfoot. That's why you make a Bigfoot, guys. What a day.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, all right. Let's get naked. What?
Boots off.
Get that toesy in there.
I already beat him to the game.
Yeah.
Slippers on.
Whew.
Look where we are. We are in the
Number one.
we're in the only people here at this campsite. CCC campground.
CC campground.
Just past what town?
Caleo?
Calais.
You're gonna say Caleo?
Yeah. Off of the Pony Express Trail. We got a rain flies on now just for that rainstorm coming through. But very likely. Ah, look at this. I mean, come on.
What are you doing, Josh?
I'm getting some extra water.
Okay.
You got scared there.
Yeah.
Getting water here. Like Bear Grylls. I got a bladder. I got a receptacle,
I have a bladder too.
a filter.
It's just inside.
Don't we all?
Probably while it's raining, I'm gonna boil it.
Speaking of which, it is raining on my back, so.
Is it really?
Yeah. Yeah, that's coming at us.
Big time. What do we do to the camping
It's just
people?
our lot in life.
What do we do to deserve such interesting campsites?
Well, this is a first though, because it is raining from behind you. See it coming down.
Yep, all this.
all the way around
All the way.
to this range, and up on top of the Deep Creek range, those
Yep.
mountains. And it's barely raining on us
For now.
for now.
Let's see how dinner's going. Food. All right, bugs are trying to eat my food. Anything else?
That's it. Good night. Hi there. Don't pee on my. He's peeing on my bike.